Hey, so if you want a simple way to organize deadlines, daily to-dos, and project tasks without using complicated apps, Google Calendar can actually handle it really well. In this guide, I'll show you how to track tasks in Google Calendar step by step. All right, first, open Google Calendar in your browser or mobile app and sign in to your account. Now look on the right side and open the Google Tasks panel. Click Add a Task and enter the name of your task or deadline. Set a due date so the task appears directly inside your calendar schedule. You can also add notes, descriptions, or subtasks to keep everything organized. Create different task lists for work, school, or personal projects. Enable notifications so Google Calendar reminds you before tasks are due. Once a task is done, simply check it off to keep your calendar clean and updated. Make sure Sync is enabled so your tasks update automatically across all your devices. And yeah, that's it. Once you start using tasks inside Google Calendar, staying organized becomes way easier.